We are working in orange today. We are replacing air conditioning system, and this is a good example how installation is important. Here you can see somebody used Allied furnace. It's a Lennox company, Allied, made by Allied, but you can see how bad this installation is. Furnace is decent, but there is no filter cabinet, so they tried to jam the filter inside the furnace, you know, those green washable filters. So air quality level in this house is -80. Next part, they used this weird vent pipe. I guess they didn't have the right size. Vent pipe is all open. This is actually dangerous. Of course, furnace and evaporative coil do not match in width. There is no water sensor on the secondary drain line. Lines are not insulated. Transition plenum is not insulated. It gets cold and wet when it runs. Return cavity under the furnace is not sealed at all, so it's sucking air who knows from where. Actually, I could see other cavity open as well. So we'll have to seal all of that. Equipment by itself will not install itself. Outdoor, we are replacing this AC unit. This was a weird model that was using R407C refrigerant. These units were a disaster from very beginning because of microchannel coils. Most York units use microchannel coils. Whenever I see these units, they're low on charge. This particular system is icing up because it's low on charge. So we're going to get this customer new 2-stage 16 SEER unit, which will give them better comfort, be high efficient unit, and new unit will have all copper coil. We have furnace installed. Nicely sealed closet, sealed return. Of course, filter cabinet with 2-inch filters. Right now it's running in low speed mode, first stage cooling. We have water sensor, J-trap, T for the drain line, filter dryer by the coil. So right now this machine is running in first stage, which is 70% of its capacity. So it's a 4-ton machine, so it's running at approximately 2.6 or 3 tons. This is the noise level we get with background music, 52 decibels. We can actually set it to high speed right now. Right now it's running at 56 decibels. Again, 2-stage units 90% of the time will stay in a low speed mode, giving you longer cooling cycles, better comfort, better humidity control, and will be quieter as well and more efficient. We are in process of installation AC unit. We'll see how it's running just in a little bit. We have our unit running in high speed mode. Let's check what our gauges show. So pressures are where they should be. Our subcooling is 10, superheat 15 to 20, nice.
Our return air is 82, supply 55. We're having 26 degrees temperature split. Our capacity of the unit is 44,000. It should be around 46,000, so we are very close to what it should be, 95%. This system a little bit low on airflow, but we didn't do ducting here, so this can affect 5% capacity. Everything is running well. AC unit is finally installed. Again, this unit is made by Allied. It's a Lennox company. This is two-stage model, 16 SEER efficiency, 1.6. Right now it's running in high stage. My meter picks up 66 decibels. This is premium model, assembled in USA. All new copper coil inside.